I know that in the beginning of new business, every dollar matters. If you are looking for the best free AI tools to optimize and improve your workflow, then this video is for you. We will explore 7 different AI tools, which is free of course, which not only will get your job done, but also will improve your efficiency and profitability. I will evaluate all of them in terms of ease of use, training and support, integrations with other tools, is it easy or not, as well as pricing. I know, I mentioned that all of them are free. Of course, that's true. But if you want something more, some advanced features of such tools, then how much does it cost? And the first one is ClickUp. It's a cloud-based project management software for individuals or teams to collaborate, operate, plan, and execute the project. The pricing, of course, there's forever free plan, and without any limitations, it would be like $7 per month, and if you are a business with a team, then it's $12 per month. Unfortunately, AI features only available in paid plans. The next one, of course, ChatGPT. I know we've heard it thousands of times, but let's face it, this is a really great tool to use. Maybe you don't know about all capabilities which you can use, and there's also a paid version and free version. ChatGPT 3.5, it's forever free, everyone can use it, and right now you even don't need to log in ChatGPT to ask something. But in ChatGPT 4, which costs $20 per month, you also will have access to GPTs, which is like, let's say, AI applications, which is designed specifically for some domains and for some specific tasks. So they kind of fine-tuned and can answer deeply in some specific questions. For example, there is AI psychologist, could be AI trainer. So, that's... And of course, GPT-4 is giving you faster responses as well as have a little better quality of responses, I would say. But 3.5, it's also a great version. Feel free to use it for free. The limitations are that GPT not perform completely the task. So it can give you some research, some response, but it will not perform fully the task, unfortunately, right now. And the next one is Tome. I mean, this one very cool tool. If you face the same problem as I did in the past, it's like, and I still doing presentations, but I remember in the past, I was doing maybe 1,000 or more different versions of presentations. For example, in my first startup, there was hundreds of different versions of the same pitch deck, because we always change something, we always have some updated performance, or something also was released and we need to update, upgrade, wherever. And all the time I spent hours, if not days, to craft a great pitch deck. And right now that's possible with such tools as Tome to create a great presentation with a single prompt. Can you imagine? You just type in what you want and it gives you response, actually not just by words, but in presentation. Of course, it's not fine-tuned yet. You need to work after that. You need to add your logo. You also need to kind of think through what you would like to get in the end in order to manage this tool in the right direction. But let's talk about some features. For example, of course, create a complete presentation, add specific slides, just with one prompt. It's also convert and upload document into presentation. It's just a click of a button. I mean, this is a game changer. You have before just one page of words, and right now you have 10 pages of presentation with different pictures, different graphics. Isn't it cool? It also integrates with DALL-E 2, which will generate you AI pictures, which is needed for your presentation. For example, you ask something specific for presentations and then it will give you a response. So let's talk right now about limitations of Tome. There is no media library where you can find any stock videos, photos, or audio. And also there is only one option how you can share this presentation. It's via the link. You cannot download this presentation so far, which is, I think, is very crucial. But if you don't need that, then feel free to use it because that's free. And if you need anything additionally, like some pro features from that tool, then it's just $10 per month, which is not so bad, right? If you're still here, subscribe to this channel to receive more useful information about AI in business and in career from founder living in Silicon Valley. The next tool is Lumen 5. It's an AI-powered video creation tool that lets you quickly create short and engaging videos from scratch. For example, for education, for entertainment, for news, or for marketing purposes. As a marketer, I can tell you that, oh my god, video, it's right now our new reality. Every marketing campaign just based on videos, right? Promotions in any social media works better if it's video than photo, right? So this tool is super great. If you don't have such a video editing capabilities, skills, and if you don't have a budget to hire a professional to help you with that, this is a game changer right now, because even if you are one-person business, you have something small, but you already can create something great with very limited resources. Of course, it's not perfect in the end. You need to fine-tune the video, to change something, to edit a little bit, but still, it saves you a lot of time. However, free plan has a limited numbers of video templates, limited video quality, and the Lumen 5 watermark will be in every video you've created in the free plan. About pricing, forever free plan, which costs you $0. But if you want something great, then it's like starting from $29 per month and beyond. The next tool I'm super excited about. If you're not native speaker like me, then Grammarly, this is the right tool for you for daily basis. And also I have a cool story about this company. Back to 2019, I've read a book where it was about success story of Grammarly, and the founders are from Ukraine as well as me. And I was so inspired by that example, then that became as the beginning of my journey as a founder. So Grammarly is a personal writing assistant that confirms your written content is free from spelling, punctuation, or grammar mistakes. And with the new AI-powered Grammarly Go, you will have the added functionality of brainstorming content to create together with Grammarly. You can create the first draft with just type in the prompt which you want to have in the end. And as well, you can tune the voice. So for example, how would you like to sound? Like more professional, more friendly, or somehow casual? And the coolest thing is that this tool is integrated inside of your keyboard. So if you're from your phone typing something, it will make sure that every sentence, every word which you are typing is correct. Some limitations. Currently, it supports only English language. If you're using AI feature, then you can generate and use only a limited numbers of prompts. I believe it's up to 100 prompts per month. And then you need to pay for a pro version, and it costs $12 per month. But to be honest, I'm using this forever free version already so many years. It's so helpful, so beneficial that I just recommend it to everyone. The next tool I use for notes from conversation with customers. An AI transcription tool that converts any audio like podcast or video you upload to the platform into text. But as I mentioned before, this tool is also a very great note taker. The best features of this tool that transcriptions are perfectly synchronized with recordings and highlighted during playbacks. You can also choose the speed of playbacks. It integrates seamlessly with different tools, for example, like Zoom meetings, Google meetings. Let's talk about limitations right now. It currently works only for American and British English. Free version lets you only transcribe 3 video or audio files. It's not 100% perfect, and of course there is a free plan with limitations, but if you need it with the pro features, then it's $16 per month, $16.99 per month. By the way, let me know in the comments which AI tools are you using right now. The next tool is Second Brain. It helps you to create ChatGPT-like bots and agents with specialized knowledge about your business. Remember, I mentioned that in ChatGPT 4, there's capabilities of creating GPT, where you also can include any information about your business, and it will create the knowledge base. It will give you every response which is relevant for your business. So in Second Brain, you can train your bot with content from website URLs, PDF documents, and just text documents. Then you can insert your newly trained chatbot on your site to provide real-time support to users by answering their queries. Remember, a few years ago, it was so popular to have on the website just simple bots, which has answer yes, no, and so on. Right now, it could have even more capabilities, even deeper answers and more support to your customers. Right now, let's talk about limitations. You can only create one bot on the free plan, and there's also limited resources guides on how to create that. But anyway, that's forever free plan, and then the paid plan starts from $19 per month. So these are 7 free AI tools for small business or startup. And how to create free website in 2 minutes. Watch the next video.